Hey, what's up? What's up? Happy Monday to my extended YouTube family, social media family, anywhere there in the world, in the Caribbean, you know, Europe, Asia. Just big up on yourself. Happy Monday, A day where most working class people don't really like see. From me I grew until now, Monday is a day where most working class people don't like see, especially the ones that work like from Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday. Reason being, after getting the weekend rest, you know, and forget about Monday morning, go work with them with a rice and peas there in you. You know, you're just lazy. So that's the reason why most people don't like see the Monday. But anyway, my people, speak with my family. You just know what to do already. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, when you don't hit the video, and wait till you start watch the video and don't watch the video, you might forget. Hit the thumbs up immediately as you hit the video. Right? And please remember to watch the ads. And still remember the backup channel is over there. Life is a Mission TV, family oriented channel. If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, please, me I beg you, go over there and get a subscription. Channel active and I go on. And me I try put out the little work when I can put out right now. You know? Yeah. Until things can get bigger. So just go over there and get a subscription. The link in the description, I'm gonna have it pinned in the comment section. Alright, my people. Meat half of the bone, you know. My people, this whole saga over the weekend with Gully Bop and this. I still not gonna call him no pastor. A pastor. Not pasta, you know. A pastor. Yeah, because in behavior. So, I was planning on doing a video today, this morning, about the whole situation. I was observing the whole situation, putting my 2 to 2 to see if I can get 4 or I will get 22. But after last night, going on social media just before going to bed, I see where this pastor put out a video trying to clear the air of an earlier video that was put out. Well, I listened to him and I listened to him keenly, and I believe what he said. Yeah, I believe what he has said about that video that they put out was like 3 years ago when him just come across AD with the tarpaulin business, right? So I believe him, but in the same breath, I can't give him no form of respect. In the same breath, I own, find it in myself to say yes. Despite me accept the apology when him come with in the last video and make himself clear. Because one, he declared that he wasn't a pastor at the time. He has got the calling from God where he want to build a house in them. Because tarpaulin can't build church. He want to build a house. So basically him there build a temporary, probably boat structure or something. So he want one of those thick tarpaulin where he can make a roof with. Call AD. AD refused. As we all know, AD says she not build a church. And we have to all understand, everybody have them belief, everybody have them calling. And I understand where AD come from. Because the church fraternity is big enough to build the church. When I say the church fraternity is big enough to build the church, I don't mean that present church, but the fraternity in general. If they share the wealth that them have in the right and proper manner, they can continue to build churches. And what Dana is trying to say, the church supposed to be doing more for social life, and probably she not seeing that. When I say social life, I mean in general. The church has something we're supposed to, because remember, the church carry congregation, we throw donation and stuff like that. And remember, especially Jamaica, how much church in a XYZ square mile. You understand? And the church, where does the donation goes? Remember, you have this big church already, bill already. Yes, maintenance have to go on, light bill have to pay and stuff like that. But at the same time, you are the church. You are God's servant. God not send you here for just serve yourself and your circles. Him send you here to serve the multitude of people. So, as we Dana believe, and any other body would have believed, me myself would have believed, churches can come on board, especially the community churches. Because I never expect a church a man to go if you come to Kingston, come build one house, give one whole woman, unless them see a need necessary and it publicized via social media or mainstream media, and then besides we get helping hand. But we are talking about community churches that is collecting this vast amount of offering and whatsoever. We are not seeing them doing anything of such. We more see these people who in a church say them a pastor and this and that. They most in it a grab. They may say one like an old woman or one like an old man over there so sick and whatsoever, and probably two normal like a family and take care of him. Them come in and that's how them take care of him. Because him own the place over there and him owl. And she own the place over there and she owl. So when she pass, they have all documents, because basically most of them force the people them in signing over this and signing over that, and them take over and claim to say they were the one 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 15 years taking care of this lady or this man. You understand? We see it happening. That's something I'm setting on my eye. And this is why most time the churches own so much land, so much building, so much property. Where them get it from? You understand? Everybody have them way of tricking people out of them things. So I kind of understand when Dana talk and whatsoever where she come from, so she now build a church. And the behavior of this man, despite him saying he wasn't a Christian a pastor at the time, he just get the calling. But me I say, if you get the calling, you're supposed to start change out of your old skin. But basically you were still, because you get the calling that you start prepare for build church. So you're supposed to reach a far way in your calling, despite you wasn't a pastor at the time, as you say. You understand? So the utterance from your mouth lying down in your bed in that video wasn't a nice one to somebody who said them get the calling. People see the initiative after new scenario with Gully Bop. Them dig up your file and then bring it to the forefront and make it look like a something where just happened. And this is what I say, this is how these people stay in social media. They are all in it for views and mix up and this and that. And when you come out and voice your opinion towards certain things that is improper, because you're not side with them, and I say with them, I say, carrying down, beating down, body shaming and all kind of things to people. Them criticize you and them followers say you are this, when them are this thing where the followers are criticize you for. So, as I say, pastor, despite your apology, I'm not really go further because I didn't go further in anything about. After coming your apology and I realize a long time video and stuff, people just try to build mischief. I just say, I'm not going to do that video there again. But I still say my 2 cents pan the first video that was exposed to make it look like it's a present video. Alright, my people. After that, I decided not to do the video with the pastor. The pastor, not the pastor, the pastor. Me come across a video now with this deadbeat woman. We claim to say she grew up come see things and she have things. Her mother died when she was 3 years old and she talk about her mother house. Big pretty house America, and your mother died when you were 3 years old. What much you know about your mother and your mother house? I it you come and brag about. People house you come and brag about where you go work with. You're used to big mansion. If you used to big mansion, what is not yours? People think what is not yours. From this old Gully Bop saga, I hear the woman come out. And it was not good again, as you all know. More than she sees the opportunity to try jog down AD. You understand? She sees the opportunity to try tear down the woman. I don't know when this woman here go stop. And all the things them what she has said in this video when me go dissect. She are before now she opposed to it. And her cronies them opposed to it. But all of a sudden now, when it will twist, to fix a content to suit them go right back to where them did that opposed to. So, make us start her off right here, so. And hear what she has say. Because all the attention changed from the apostle now to she. So, listen to her, my people.
For their shows or what their opinions. But if them never come out and dash it out without something, that is it. With my split justice situation, what I have seen taking place, with Gully Bop going to that woman's yard seeking for help, me are giving my perspective on that, my honest perspective.
No, your bitterness.
Analyzing Gully Bop over the years, and even myself, I have spoken to Gully Bop, get the opportunity to speak to Gully Bop about 2 times at Island Tears. Me have it on video where I told him, save up him money for rainy day, never will happen. But that is what happen when poor people get money, them turn bossy. When people never have nothing and then come in or something, them turn bossy and show off just like the woman I had. So she and Gully Bop is in the same position. That's why she never helped Gully Bop. Gully Bop going to her, based on her expression and the way she speak, she insult him. And if she could have taken the opportunity to get some more highlights and fame off of Gully Bop, in my opinion, she shouldn't turn him away. Because
so it's about highlight and fame. It's not about doing the right thing. Doing what your heart lead you to do. Do what your spirit tell you to do. Do what Father God tell you to do. It's not about doing the right thing. It's about the fame and the views. Okay. And when she do certain things, you come out and say she do it with fame and views. When she not do it, you say it to the highlighter.
come there sick and dying. And if him never, but she should have glad say him come a fear yard to ask for help and did not go to the government. That means say him believe in her in the sense of helping. And what is so disturbing, I didn't watch the video, but somebody told me, but I know what truth it is, that they had some bags where he could have gotten to put on, and she said, I don't know what truth it is, because I don't watch it to tell you the truth. Me I go by with me.
What more highlight AD you want more than what she have already? You don't want some highlight. You don't take up the situation, man. You can refresh your memory and show him the video them where you have, because you always want to insert yourself in things. And insert yourself to make yourself look like, okay, yes, you are this Taponaris, you mix with all kind of people. You understand? You have not seen the video, and this is how I can't understand it, you know. On a sound of blogger, saga, someone saggy. You understand? 15-year-old veteran in social media. I want to get up on the tech where people say to you, people commenting on the comment section and say, you go and seek proper information from one ear. Somebody send you something in your phone, or somebody make a comment in your comment. You just jump and you run with whatever comment you get or whatever you get in your phone. You know, take time out as a platform holder, the veteran in a phone, and go seek out what is what. You know, what time people send me things in my DM or even in my WhatsApp, my messenger, and me even look upon it. Sometimes I look upon it and I look upon it and I say, well, if me can do my proper assessment to find out if the tree did a blossom last week and somebody shake off the blossom, me now come talk about it. Because these same people in your comment and who say them a supporter, who say them a follower, and who say them a fans can mislead you. Some of them do it intentionally, some of them might just do it because them tell themselves them love you and them a give you some content and them go around the corner go hear something. Them don't know how true it is, but them just bring it back to you. So, on a need for go do no due diligence before you come out, come chat.
People say. And she have somebody bag them and he might tell Paula say don't if she don't want to be responsible for the bag. Something happened to him. What kind of stupidness is that? What is going to happen to somebody if you give them some medical bag? If make him whatever in it. That or that will do something to him. Wouldn't be killing him faster with germs if he might use cut out plastic something if he catch it in. I mean
Father, you say you don't watch a video, but you know much though, because even a little part about cutting out the plastic back you hear about it. That you cannot talk about it. So I saw that the person that will come and I tell you about the video. I tell you full details of the video. You say you don't watch it, you know, but here still you can't talk about all the little part where him say sometimes the back him have to cut out. And you see, people like you and others are only make Dana stay how she stay. Yeah, Uno make 99 stay how she stay. Uno are the one to make the woman timid. You understand? When time she do any little thing, she jumpy. Even this bag situation. Remember, you know, when the bag them just come and Dana show them on the live, you know. People, somebody call in and tell Dana say a prison work. Knowing Dana, immediately Dana go just jump at it. While if that person would keep them shut, it wouldn't be like that. Because based on my knowledge, it's no prison work. You understand? It's no prison work. But these people just come in at the phone. True, Dana is a type of person who makes you timid because of the delicacy of her name. Oh, no one jog her here, there, and everywhere. She have to protect herself. So everything she edgy about. All anything right and okay if you do. If somebody goes so she get edgy about it. And cancellation. You understand? Even when the whole bag situation and then Paula called, somebody called Paula and said the same bag them you have can use and whatsoever. Then they say, yeah man, we can't give it to him. And if I not like somebody again call and I tell her say it have to be prescribed. And whatsoever that again change then her mind again. Further down in this video you see one I go talk about the prescription of this bag. So let's go and listen yo.
Did he disrespect her? That is the problem. I never watch it. When he came to her in the car, when we see the video in the car with the man, did he
You keep repeating you never watch it, but when you see him on the video with the man in the car, okay, yes, you can just see a video clipping. Yeah, wait. But there is too much things where you elaborate upon and you say you don't watch the video or somebody tell you about the video, so that person sit down and tell you toe to toe, eye to eye, inch to inch about the whole video and you remember everything and you don't watch it?
disrespect her? You say him don't have no manners. My question is you the person, him not have no respect for woman. My thing is that did he respect her? And when you talk about say him not have no blood clot respect for woman, 300 have respect for woman. The other rest them over the fence have respect for woman. Eh?
Your friend Bob, as a man on the other side, your fence, have respect for any woman? No. So what you try to say?
You ever hear Gully Bob come and tell her, say, they go suck out this, that, and she this, that, wara. Did you ever hear Gully Bob?
Your point where you try to make and try to get across, no warrant right here, so. When the person them say, Gully Bob now have no manners and disrespectful to woman, it might not be 99. You understand? And it might not be him see a random woman out there and be disrespectful to her. But it's even worse. He's been disrespectful to people who try to want good out of him and try to see the good in him and I try to get the good out of him and try to be by his side and guide him. Just like Olivia come and she give you fear pistol about the whole saga with him and with she and Gully Bob. Shana Chin tell Shana Controller, she come, she tell you the same thing about him. We all see a video clipping when him downtown in the market, in behavior, when him just take sick one, not just take sick, based on them say, Gully Bob sick for a period of time now. But when him take down one at the time, when him they up and down a Grand Spend, I must say I live in a one little Whatman place, Whatman land area, up a Grand Spend there so, and him end up down a market, or him disrespect the people them. We see it also upon video clipping where him in the hospital, the same nurses will take care of him or him deal with them and disrespect him. Disrespect them. So that is a general disrespect where the people them are talk about. Them not talk solely 99. Gully Bob has disrespected people, the same people them will look out for him. People, as me say, me nah go say, you must send no money come assist him. Before me get back to that woman here. Because based on information that I get, because you have a certain student in my community. One of the biggest studio because are the engineer with the studio. Where most of the big artists them, it come like if that man they don't mix them song, it can't be no it or nothing like that. So them always reach out to you. A student named Friends Are Real. And me have close allied with their Friends Are Real. And when Gully Bob in I'm prime and I'm time, the man them say when Gully Bob come a Friends Are Real, you know, especially Pitney. Because it's like him have a love for Pitney. He may give Pitney him last. As you hear Shana say, he may take all him phone and just give a little Pitney it. And say he may get back one. I know the first me hear that. My ally them around the studio say it. Say when them man come to studio, if him come there with 200,000, him not left with $1. So basically he was probably a kind man. Me don't know how him kids them say whatsoever. Probably them did look forward for something back in the days when nothing ever did it. As what them say when them claim to say him boss as countryman, where people say him never really boss. Him just did have a little name and go around in a box round him and get a little $10 and $20. So it's like him kids them kind of have him away from them time there. You understand? So it come right back in the new era now. So it's like him and them, when him get the bus, him and them still have the association that way from the sun will come close to him. You understand? So he's a kind person. But behind the kindness, he's also very disrespectful. So really and truly, if you can assist him, assist him. My only concern is, as I hear Shana said, she might not say it in such a way, but me as a man, I'm very observative. I'm easy to sense things and listen to people and come to my conclusion. Shana is saying that on the open him get the money and get it in him hand, him go do what him fi do. Because our concern is shouldn't mind somebody could have did they will get the money and just do the thing and that person they trustworthy also. Because if him get the money, he might go buy the wrong thing and we all might know what is the wrong thing. Let's not say it here. Alright? So as I say people, if you can reach out, reach out. We now stop no man blessing versus sick him sick. And as I say, sickness not put on for nobody special. If it put on for special people, all them million and billionaire there, where a pass off and family member, wife and mother and father pass, them who no pass. Let's not call any name. We all know a lot of them. You understand? So sickness not put on for nobody special. And as me say, you can right now, you can't walk from your either your knee. And now you becomes an adult and go up in an age, you find yourself with all one 50 million in your account or 120, 30, 10 million in your account. That no means say you have it all. It take one sickness on all years, let me say that, and can break you. One sickness can take you. God forbid. And when it becomes a papa that you go and all GoFundMe. You understand? So some people are going to sit down and say, boy, what him do with the money? Yes, we agree. He might gal out him money. He might floss out the money. But him could have still have it and it's still not enough. Because if you find yourself with $5-10 million and one sickness take you away, you have to go do all kind of tests. And you have to go through certain operation and sickness. And when you done, that 10 million where you have, 9.5 out of gone in a medical. You have 5 left. At the same time, you have to seek some assistance. Because when you look, 9.5 gone out of the 10. And what now, the little 5 left are going to be for recovery. How far probably that can carry based on the sickness where you come out of. And surgeries and all them something where you come out of. So if you can seek help here, there and everywhere, whether you have family member whatsoever or you're in a fraternity like Gully Bop in the DJ world, you understand what I say to you? And them can assist you. Nothing wrong with that, no shame in your game. Then you feel like if me there so no. Now me can probably help myself in a way I can go buy a pound of chicken back and a pound of liver, you know, and cook 2 little dumpling and sitting. You understand? But what if the day come when me can't find that? And me build this platform during this time of me, alright, can buy that. You feel like me I feel shame to come. Yes, you might feel a way to come out worse, me is not a beggar. But at the same time, the condition when me in and now, no allow me to have no pride. Me have to go put my pride aside and come out come beg on $1. You understand? The thing about it, with me begging in that dollar, I try to put my foot back on myself back on my foot, you know. Because me don't want to continue begging on $1 every week, every day, every month, you know. You understand? So me I try to put myself back on my foot with that little beggings what me might do for a month or a week or a day or 2 days. To put myself back on my foot so me not have to come back to, you know, unless I want another century again. You understand? So you can't have too much money where you can't. Yeah, man, I go say, boy, right in the panel him. Remember when he used to drive big Benz and Beamer? Enough of them was the falter. Some of them falter through carelessness. Some of them falter in a way where beyond them control. Some of them get bring down by them own family, friend. You name it. You understand? Some of them never really have no head peace. Some of them have no management skill. You understand? So there's all different kind of way where people can fall upon them face. You know what are these millionaires were in a business fall upon them face? But guess what? The circle with them inner help them to rise. Sometimes when you sit down against most of them man and you hear them story, it only motivate you and make you know that you can do it too. Anyway, make you get back to the corruption. Make you get back to the bad mind. Bad mind, go down. Jealousy, go down. Envy, go down. We see the lightning flash and the thunder roll.
Clean something so he can live a little longer. You understand, and provide for him. But the way she do it, she embarrassed the man. It's like she was laughing at him.
You know watch
It's
the
like
video
she
and you
was
know all of that.
discriminate him. But you tell me, say you are for God, and you come on social media, coming like a sheep in wool clothing, dressing up with. Jesus Bible every day. Paul and them a keep prayer meeting and a speaking a ras tongues when the tongues not go so. You understand? And coming in a God church every Sunday dressing up like a pussfoot.
But what me I say? Marcia, this is from over the weekend and today on Monday. I think this happened when? From Friday or a Saturday? I don't quite remember. But today on Monday, I bet you all when today done, you don't send a $50 come give Gully Bop and you're so concerned. And you plea film and you this and you that. And bet you're that first world country. You have your CD, you have your money, you have your this and you have your that and you have your business. And bet you not find a source to send a $50 come give him.
When last you go church? When last, and then you come now and somebody come to you. We have a kidney problem and begging a little help. Not even a little plastic bag to collect a little feces in her. And she, our friend, have it. And she is telling somebody, if you don't give it to him, it back to collect a little feces in her. And she, our friend, have it. And she is telling somebody, if you don't give it to him.
Why?
And you are refusing sick, but yet you can help strong, healthy young people. We can make them want money. Then something that no look right. What is it not gonna judge him for? Me no face it too. When me ready, I wanna bother me not tell enough to go suck out no mama. So
then have to take up everybody out of public hospital and UC hospital and help them because them sick. Only say she's nobody at all. You understand? Even the pastor in that video, they say she's an ordinary person. She's no celebrity. She's not. Where you also said it more than one time. You understand? So why you have this confidence that she can help people and help Gully Bop and help the others and she can this and she can that. But yet still, she's nobody at all. She's no celebrity. She's not at all. So what kind of power she have if she's no celebrity? So on give her the props when town want she do what on want she do. But when town want content for run with, for draw and tear her down, on spin it and flip it. Okay.
That a war or not. The people look on the friend we have a England. Look when he ready for come on social media and don't know me and Tina Chin and everybody. Him no face the and disrespect woman too. What about 300? What about all the rest of people with on social media? What the rest not talk about? Eh? Why? Why is she only from the other day she only want help people who can help themselves?
What? So because somebody arty, them can't help themselves. Because someone is not sick and somebody is in them right mind, mean them can't help themselves. Every day you just come to social media and show how, jealous you is, bad mind, corrupt, dunce, you name the slate of things. Because she helping somebody who is arty, mean that them can't help themselves. This girl could have helped herself to go to university. Tell me, where should I find the money from? Tell me where should I find the money from?
Should I help the man? If I even for company social media and say, okay guys, let us collect 300,000 for him. Huh? It's not like it's a disgrace lady yard. This no look good for you. This no look good none at all. None at all.
So, because Dana no come out and help Gully Bop, it no look good for her. What about the many that she have helped, where only same one come out and cuss her about? You and your friend them crossway the fence. Dana just help this little girl pay her school fee, raising 2.8 million for her. And look how you run with it and jog her. You understand? Your friend cross the board, Lorraine, come out. You understand? And say, she not get the people them no ease. She just go on like say, boy, the people them a foreign can't get her ease. And she raise this $1 million for one, she call in the next one and she raise this $1 million for one. So what she gonna do for please, Are you a crony them? Ask them. What she gonna do for please, you know? Cause you know a lick out pan where the woman a do. But here still, tomorrow morning, you know flip the script once she do it. You understand? Tomorrow morning, you know flip the script once she do it. So what she must do? You know tell me.
It was even an opportunity for to redeem yourself a little bit more. It no matter how them cuss you and class you on social media. This was a big opportunity for you to have this on your list. Gully Bop's story.
So, how did I redeem herself from? What was her going to redeem herself from? This is a big opportunity for people. Me I do that video and I mean I do it in no vibes, you know. Because me just get sick and tired of them people, you know. Because what Dana I gonna redeem herself from?
Was a big thing for you to know that he was a big star out there. You understand? And him drop off a shape and come to you for help. And there was nobody else that help him out there. No reggae artist not help him. Whatever the girl name not help him.
You see, this is what I'm telling you, say, only just come on the social media platform because it is so easy to just put on a phone in a phone holder and just click live or go up on video and chat all kind of things. Only not try to seek the proper information before you come and talk. And when you come and talk to you, don't want to look like a jackass. Only say people telling you things. But people still going to lead you to be a jackass. Because a phone platform and who tell you. And most time we know nobody not tell you no. Only just run with story with suit uno. And suit uno needs. What you mean nobody in an entertainment fraternity not help him? One, Big Stone help him. Try to help him. Where him collect some money. And what it turned out to be disrespectful. Because it was said by him that Big Stone rob him up. Other entertainer reach out to him. You understand? There's a lot of other entertainer who reach out to him. It might not publicize, but there's a whole other entertainer reach out to him. They might not reach out in a sense where, okay, them take full responsibility of make sure him in a one home, or them take full responsibility of make sure him go through him surgery and him alright. Them reach out in whatever way them can reach out. Everybody have them own responsibility. Everybody have them own problem. And that you feel to understand.
And not like that. This was something for you, really and truly. Dana, let me call her name. Dana, this was something really and truly for you to really put yourself back up on social media in a one good way to help that man.
So which part of social media Dana in a good way? Dirty, bad mind, jealousy, girl. Which part of social media Dana down there in a good way? What you talking? You see, you just use people's story to come vice anger against the woman. So you see when something happen out there, you so glad for it to happen. That you don't have to seek no form of proper information. You not use no intelligence to find out and seek out the in and the out and the do and the do's before you come on the platform. You just run on the platform and use that to create the animosity, to bleed out on gut in an anger way what you have for this woman. Just to tear her down. Because what kind of...
Like, this was really something for you. If I even $100,000, you could have given. And people, if you can't help him, because guess what?
Alright, my people. You know what people that want we go back get from 99 what day, over the weekend? You know how much people would have want that assistant. So what? To Dana physically collect no money. To fear system for him. She not do nothing for him. putting him on our platform alone do a lot. You know what people want to go on that the platform there publicly like that and can't go. Can't get the opportunity. And him come and him get an opportunity like that. You know much artists, me see Zamunda, me see artists over there, so me see one set of recording company from England. You know what people to 99 platform. Dana Marie go when they on a farm and want to be redeemed. Where she could have used this and redeem herself. A fear platform when they on a farm. Make all these people, you saw it blow out in a social media. So what kind of redeem you want to redeem herself? So it's all about the likes of you. So are the likes you talk about? So why you never get Gully Bop to come on your platform? But your platform not big enough. It big in your mind. It big in your house where you're there. You understand? So you figure more or less, say, boy, true Dana don't pick up the money physically for him. She not do nothing for him. Dana don't want to have nothing to do with it. Probably Dana have some form of intelligence about him and his behavior and come on to money. Somebody might pinch her and tell her. Or Dana just a sense that she don't want to go there so. So she give him the platform. But through the whole thing now with the pastor. You understand? The whole thing with the pastor. It slow down Gully Bop blessing if there's any blessing for come. People, me a minute make a change the sun arise, yeah, so. The whole issue with the pastor, man, it would have blighted Gully Bop opportunity right now, you know. So, where you, Kakai Campbell, you understand? Curly, figure do. You see the man over the fence, where are your friend? We go dig up in the man, the pastor man profile. I must see him Facebook or whatever page, and come forward with a long time video from 3 years ago, as well the man said when him did call Dan about the tarpaulin and post it to repost it to social media, all because the reason for him do that is because the man has styled Dana in the video. So him repost it, to use it, to kind of discriminate Dana with what the man has said in the video. We all hear what him saying in the video. So you, Kakai, Marcia, go to England or call your friend at England and blame him. Come publicly and blame him about what him do. Make you see if you have split justice. Come publicly and blame your friend Dwayne at England, Duisha, Baby Germs. We got way in the man archive. Go take out this long time 3-year picture and video where the man have where him did come at Dana because of the tarpaulin. And say what him say. And him bring it on the platform and it all over since then. And blighted Gully Bop future. Blighted little help Gully Bop they will get despite Dana not taking up any money. Me know him that get a help. You understand me I say? Because it has reached a lot of people ears. As me say, me a couple artists well come out on platform. You understand? And about 2 record company come out. One must say they are England if I not lie. So split justice, what I want you to do is come out on your platform publicly because you say you split justice and come out at Dwayne and tell him say I'm wrong for do what him do. Go rake up one 3-year video for no reason at all because the man in the video discriminate Dana. And if you can't do that, now come back on social media, come tell nobody about your split justice. Because there is no split justice, it's just the same thing like Dwayne and the others. Uno mind you can tie one piece of hook and one piece of string and go so shoop. And it reach over 99 on a draw her out. Because so no one drag her down. So come on your platform, come burn out Dwayne for what him do.
$3 million. You see him when can't help the boy if sending a college and a phone pick when can't help him. He brought a lot of joy in our life to laugh and to whatever. You can't cuss him because
So you can tell people who to spend their money with. You can tell people who to take their money and support. Him give you a lot of laughter. What about who not give no laughter? You can identify some give you a lot of laughter. Today is Monday. Call it say you never have no time over the weekend to send a $50 come give him. Make sure a $50 reach him. You understand? Make sure a $50 reach him.
them face day. I see the data came out and the data starts to say a lot of things.
People, give me a... I'm going to pick one of them star fruit there, you know. You know, watch me, I'm going to pick a star fruit. That's why I love Jamaica, you know. That's why I love Jamaica. Sweet ya to Rasta ja. Sweet ya. Let me just know them as something, I have them so then sour. But I discover that tree boy. My mechanic make me discover say them so sweet too, cause to me grow say them sour. I never eat one. Or the mechanic eat one. And said, Jesus. I saw me start eat them. Star fruit.
Why you remember the people who was there for you? And you can't blame him because him is like him in a frightened situations. It's like for instance now you were nothing and you become something. And you see all these big celebrity around you. Him not can remember nobody. Because him in a stage fright, him in a popularity fright. Now I said, Lord Jesus, then them people are really rally around me. Me really a drive in a pretty car. Me I wear brand name clothes. You can't believe say me go take and come a foreign. I mean, come on. You see what I'm saying? So that is the way people is. So now you see same thing. When this one in Jamaica, when named Dana, members of Dana used to walk in a clean bathroom and office. Yeah, and I sell food to survive. And I draw one piece of plastic boot, $500 slippers. And up with the one piece of hairstyle with a catch off on the head side. Until she said the money coming in. And she quit her job. And then she...
Wanna hear jealousy? Wanna hear bad mind? Wanna hear covetousness? Bad mind, go down. Iniquity, go down. Jealousy, go down. Jah make him thunder roll and him lightning flash. We burn bad mind now with that. You see? Uno want people to stay at the same level like Uno. Because Uno not no ambition as me always I tell Uno. Then I have $500 slippers. I like a one hairstyle with her catcher. Are the best hairstyle she ever have to. She love it. Look what hairstyle Dana have. Thousands of dollars worth of hairstyle comparing to the hairstyle where you talk about. But this one is showing us on, you know, on hearing, on vision, and on senses not good. But they not go on a heart, you know. Cause that come like it black. It was painted. You understand? So with all the way you just described Dana as she supposed to stay that stage all the day for her life. She must elevate just like how you are not being elevated. And you live in a first world country. She's supposed to stay just like you. You understand? She must have no legacy left on because basically you're worrying about having a house because you got dead left it. So what about what? Your grandkids, your great grandkids, your kids? Eh? Most of what people have in life is inheritance. So suppose who we gone home leave it, did I think like you? All them land where you come and talk about you have a country and your mother house where from you say your mother died from your 3-year-old, so you never know nothing about that your house there. Eh? Most of the people have an inheritance. So when you come and talk about catch a hairstyle and the this and the Tara and the Nara, waste time. You don't make yourself being a fool. That's all.
Get big now and come and cuss the same race people them. We are clean shit and piss. The same people who live in a basement, she come and cuss we. The same people with America from Wappy kill Philip and we don't have no house. You understand? And it. And she come and cuss we and change. Down the girl a pop style pa uno. She can't pop no blood clot style pa me cause me ever live in a style. So it's the same thing. So she
Your style them spoil, man. Your style come like round a back market at Coronation, which part the old cabbage water there. The old cabbage where the people them peel and shed off. And the whole part of the cabbage where them shed off from the back market at Coronation Market. And the rubbish truck now get to clean the market, the Saturday, Sunday, and they till to the Monday morning, round the think. I saw your spoil. You understand? So now come talk about your, you know what? Your style. Your style spoil, man.
and she come and cuss we and change. Down the girl a pop style pa uno. She can't pop no blood clot style pa me cause me ever live in a style.
Well, people, I just say, I just have to change the location because the phone did that dead. So let's continue.
Wig, she never have no makeup, girl. I can't do makeup. She wasn't putting on no raw slash. You understand me? She wasn't putting on nothing at all. She have on a piece of tights and a piece of cintin and a piece of flip-flop slippers, them $1,000 slippers, drying her ass foot from one house to the other house. The same piece of
So did Dana ever shame of telling her where she coming from? Drawing her flip shop slippers and selling a school gate and selling this and that downtown? Unlike you, we come make it look like from your mother die at 3, Bertie and die at 3 here, well, and somewhere, somehow, you end up with about 3, 4 father and end up America. You understand? You free if you come tell your life story. Your life story is all about on top. There wasn't no struggle for you. The Taylor family, the Campbell family, the this, how much land, this, that, how much house, this, that. All of your lifestyle was up here. You go through no struggle. And someone can know say he's a liar.
coconut brush head, lean to the side. As you can see, she's still in a mentality because up until today, she had the best hairstyle she ever have. She can't change the hairstyle. So I don't
And you
care
don't
what
have
nobody
none.
wants to say.
One wig a serve you all 10 months. And you wear them and because you're going like you're this comedian. People they even look upon it now where when you just take one and dry it and piece cock up around there so and piece cock up around there so. Them just figure more and say, okay, a comedian man. So as she just do it purposeful. For them you know say the wig them a bit what do you buy? So you wash one of them and you have this and you have that and it come back so nice like it brand new. I saw the whole of them want to wash and we feel that way.
You understand? So she and Gully back not in a better position. She get highlighted and she switch. The people that were helping her, she come and cuss them out. So what is the difference between Dada and Gully Pop? Eh? And what is the difference? What is the difference between condom and a castic? Eh? What is the difference between condom and a castic? You come in a one and you go in a one. So what is the difference? What is the difference between a dish towel and a tablecloth? Eh?
We know the difference between a floor mat, you understand, and a tablecloth. And use a floor mat where people just wipe foot pan. You understand? You ask what's the difference between Gully Bop and Dana. Big difference between Gully Bop and Dana. Big difference between you and Dana. Even Gully Bop in a better position than you. Because stardom, where you are on them, Gully Bop has passed through that stardom without even have to come and beg it. It was given to him. Unlike you, will come and beg it.
What is the difference? The whole of them was a dish towel and then come tablecloth. So nobody can come up here, come talk about nobody. Eh? You understand? So that's why she could.
At that bunny, you know, because you're so friggin' hopeless, you just want everybody to hopeless like you. Because you're so hopeless, you just want everybody hopeless like you, Marcia.
Help Gully Bop because she see that she and Gully Bop was in the same position. It's the same thing. And Dana, you should be ashamed of yourself. You could have collect 200 and 300,000. And even say some family member, we have a daughter come take it from we. You could have bet the man get the tool.
Yeah, and then on the same one come on come criticize her. Worse when Gully back will come on all him live and said John did call him and Harry did call him and tell him say them send £1,000 or 1,000 Canadian or 1,000 US and him never see him get that. On the same one take care and run with it. And then now through him in need of cash. Just like wanna do with Sully, you might just use him. Just like wanna use Sully. You understand? And through money and him a crave for money now, when you use him to come talk all kind of things. The woman a protect herself. Uno make the woman is like where she is. Because Uno make the woman edgy, the woman name delicate. Because Uno. She afraid to do certain things.
Plastic bag them. What kind? Oh, you have too much big friend on social media where a nurse and doctor. Oh, that go kill it. Oh, that go kill him off. How is that is going to infect him? And first of all, most of them bag the two. It's different size. So then there's something they have to be like prescribed. You understand? So that is thing. Nobody an idiot, boy.
You is an idiot. Because this is the same thing why Donna get edgy when the person call in and tell her say XYZ. But because of us who love excitement and someone carry across messages and news, it just chip Donna head, and because of her delicacy of her name, only want drag it here and there, she have to protect herself. So she just say, watch out, no way we don't want the bag them, take them well, carry them, go dash them, dump them, this. Me not in league with her for dash them way. Because they're expensive and there's a lot of people out there want it. So if you don't want to take it personally and give to somebody, donate it to a clinic, donate it to a home. We might have people like them that they will know the procedure if it go through. You understand? You come and say, boy, it go by sizes and whatsoever. As me say, at the same thing the person say, but to all the person bring across a message, the person get done a Gigi. And from you get that na Gigi, that's it.
Yeah, people come past social media. Me never don't take it.
Because the person say, it have a prescribe. And you don't know, say, from them say prescribe. And you get it and it not prescribed to you. Investigation, if it go in a certain case, not just the bag me at talk about, you know. If medication prescribed to you, supposed to prescribe, and you go get it over the counter and anything for your investigation lead, a problem that, you know. So with Donna knowing that I know how fear name set with Uno, you know, look at dirty rotten mouth, she have to be careful.
This man, maybe put in my ras 2 cents. Uno already done me already. Uno, they are doing no evilness already. So me already me prepare to take it. You understand? But me now come be a ras idiot. You understand me? You're nobody. You're just a regular girl. With God bless. Just like Gully Bop at one time. And just as
so God now bless you too. And give you how much title. She had no body. But yet still, you want she to help the world. Yet still you want she to help the whole of public and UC and Children's Hospital and Cornwall Regional Hospital. What about you have a platform for 15 years? Why can't you do something presently and show the public what you can do? But if you can't even promote your own things, your sheet and your gala and get no support, how you go promote to get support to other people? So you classify yourself as nobody after 15 years and more and counting.
Gully Bop drop off a glory, your ass clap will drop off a glory too. Because on every day rain will fall, and every day sun will shine, and every day people is going to have money to send to Jamaica.
Well, lead you if you wish this bad for this woman now. Where lead you? The woman they not look at you. So where lead you if you wish all this bad. But the difference between Gully Bop dropping off and Donna dropping off, Donna go drop off leaving legacy if so be the case. Donna already have management or pitney them and people around her or guide her. So when you want to say all of this soon stop and stop and stop and stop, when it stop, she already comfortable. Because she didn't make use of what she did get during the time. And like Gully Bop, he never did make use. And that's the reason why I end up here. You understand? And at the same time, as I said earlier, him could have all 20-30 million put on and the sickness take him away. And nothing at all. But at the same time, he would have somewhere living a would have put up a structure instead of live all boat and a bunks in a workmill and a whole house. As what him said. Because him come on live and say that.
to support your habit. There's a time going to come. We're living in perilous time, and our time is yet to come. Do you know them have one next disease coming out like corona? So when
they
all
already.
break loose and we don't have no blood.
Marcia, the disease they already. It even the day long before corona and the rest. Kakai, are you are the disease? You and your friend them are the disease.
Like money America figure work, and we don't have nothing fit no shipment now come in, because the Bible telling a revelation, it said food a could stop, harvest now could, cow a could dead, animal a could dead, water a could dry up.
What's new?
Disease is
What's
going
new?
to be around. We not get that yet.
You should
So
know
when people
that.
are gonna get from to send money. So when you sit down in your ghetto, 3-bedroom apartment house, and when the money now coming to
What a way you know how much bedroom she have. But at the same time we can't say the same for you. So you sit down in your one room bedroom, your one bedroom house. We can't say that for you. Big superstar like you. We can't say it for you, Marcia.
buy no Ras cake, or no buy no Bumbo t-shirt, or no money now send down. Where
Well,
is
listen,
it you going
jealousy,
to
you
get
know.
it from when we
Bad
Ras
mind, you
clan
know.
don't have nothing for the Bumbo self? Eh?
When the people them can't buy no now buy no cake, now buy no t-shirt, now buy no this, two them done already now buy your shit. So through them now support you, you want the woman support to fall. And this me I tell you now every day on the show say I'm jealous. So no claim to say we vocabulary short and we low. We vocabulary low. Because every time we come we talk about bad mind and jealous. There's me don't know another word to say it, you know. I mean I have no time to look up for none for Uno because Uno not worth it. But every day when I come and show so on a bad mind, on a jealous, on a covetous. You hear which part you gone? And no cake now go sell, and no Ganzi now go sell, and where there's going to be that time, where it already be the time for you, so what you did do before?
The other day with the American, not even, but it's not too late for you to redeem yourself. You're going to let money make you perish in a ugliness. I am here to tell you in the spiritual realm that I look at you. You are so ugly. Your heart is dark. Your eyes are dull. I don't know what the Ras you get yourself into. But girl, I am here. I mean, no, they're going to run with this blood clot, but I'm here.
Hey God. Take the case and take your pillar to Father God. Me no want none of them. It is too much. Take the case and take the pillar. Me no want none of them, Father God. Now I'm the people that said, Father, take the case and give me the pillar. But me want Father God take them. Take the two of them. Speak my mind, people. Come to the end of the video, you know. So, bless upon yourself and thanks for watching again. Remember, hit the thumbs up. Remember to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Go get a subscription. Link in the comment section, pin, and it's in the description. I'm out.